Hi, I'm your requirements quality assistant. Every day, vague requirement documents create scope disputes and delay sprints. Our AI-powered ambiguity and gap detector changes that. Here's what it does. It analyzes your approved requirement documents and instantly flags unclear language, missing acceptance criteria, and potential scope gaps, the exact issues that cause project delays. Let me show you a live example. Shows demo screen. We're analyzing a real client requirement document. Notice how the detector identifies three critical ambiguities: unclear, user-friendly language without metrics, missing acceptance criteria for integration points, and a scope gap in error handling specifications. BA and QA teams use this to validate requirements before they reach development, cutting rework time by weeks. Ready to see the full demo? Visit https://poc-gap-detector-itsatgupta-4178s-projects.vercel.app and start detecting gaps in your requirements today.